This is a Samsung memo backup file created by Kies. It is an encrypted archive of your phone's memos. Reading it on a PC is difficult without parsing software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to extract it. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the SMEA file. I'll reveal it at the end. An SMEA file is a proprietary backup created by Samsung Kies software for managing data between mobile devices and computers. It stores compressed and organized mobile data, including contacts, messages, and photos. Because the structure is proprietary to Samsung, manually modifying or extracting the file data can lead to permanent corruption. SMEA files are created when a user initiates a backup process within Samsung Kies. The file format is proprietary to Samsung, and the data within is typically compressed and organized in a specific structure that only Samsung Kies can properly interpret and restore. Attempting to manually modify or extract data from an SMEA file can lead to data corruption. Your application default for SMEA should ideally be Samsung Kies from Samsung. To access all data streams, audio-video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows can't open backup archives natively, so restoration software is needed for full access. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your SMEA file and choose Open With. Use Samsung Kies if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If your SMEA file will not open yet, do not panic. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, use Samsung software. Open the file using Samsung Kies or Samsung Smart Switch, the required applications for phone backups. Next, use the restore function. Launch the original application and use its restore function. Finally, provide password. You must provide the correct password that was used to encrypt the backup file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.